Hello everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today we are excited to introduce our custom watch collection. A beautifully crafted watch can be perfect finishing touch to elevate your style. Whether you are at work or enjoying some leisure time, now let's get in our result. JetPrint offers over 30 different watch styles, available in 3 distinct collections to choose from. The first collection is the leather strip watches. The leather material naturally carries an air of sophistication, and the strips are lightweight and soft, reducing discomfort during extended wear. This makes leather strip ideal for those who prioritize comfort and timeless elegance in their accessories. The second collection is the steel strip watches. The steel strips offer exceptional durability and corrosion resistance, maintaining their shine and shape perfectly in various environments. The mantle-like finish gives these watches a modern, stylish appearance, making them the top choice for those who seek both durability and a contemporary look. The third collection is the wooden watches. Our wooden watches are crafted from high-quality wood to provide a superior feel and visual appeal. Each wooden watch features unique grain patterns, making them highly sought after by customers who value individuality. However, due to the material of the wooden strips and cases, the water resistance of these watches is significantly reduced. Therefore, we recommend avoiding use in wet environments. To meet diverse needs, each of our collection offers multiple strip options and different dial sizes. With JetPrint mockup generator, you can upload special dates, meaningful quotes, or your cherished photos. Additionally, you can contact our support team to assist with engraving the back of the dial, making your personalized watch even more commemorative. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our products. Thank you for your watching, and see you in the next video.